outside is screaming, it don't matter. We in here, we're about to get down. Get your ass up, let's go. Darla, put the chips down, Darla. We got work to do, y'all. Miss B, let's go, let's get it. Guys, it's 5 down. I want you to get a timer, okay? You need to time yourself for this 5 down so we know how to do our next exercises. So you get a timer, you do 5 jumping jacks, you do 5 mountain climbers, you do 5 push-ups, timer is still rolling, you get up, you do 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, all the way down to 0, guys, all the way down to 0. Mike, are you doing this? Mike, are you out there? Okay, so after you're 5 down, you stop your timer, see how long it took you. However long it took you for the 5 down, that's how long I want you to spend at each station. Woo, it's a burner. First station, it's 30 seconds of air squats. So you do 30 seconds of air squats, and then you do 15 seconds of mountain climbers, and then, check this movement out. You do 5 seconds each leg of single leg mountain climbers. And then you switch it 5 seconds each leg, single leg mountain climbers. You run those 3 back and forth based on how long your first warm-up exercise took you. The next station, 30, 15, 5. 30 seconds, tricep dips. Watch your shoulders. If you have a history of shoulder injuries, lower back injuries, hips are high, just go through the first few ranges. Okay, if you feel good, go all the way down, all right? That's 30 seconds. 15 seconds on your wide grip push-ups. Out there wide. And then the last set, 5 seconds, burpees. 5 seconds, guys, that's it. That's probably 5 right there. The last round, guys, imaginary jump rope, 1 minute, 1 minute of that. Then you got 30 seconds on your back, flutter kicks. Keep that lower back flat, head can be up or down, you just need to keep kicking. 1 minute of skaters, here's skaters. Start low, get big. Start low, get big. Have a ball, guys. It's a riot. Let me know if you did it. I also want to know, out of curiosity, how long did it take to do the 5 down? All right, I'm about to get up out of here because I got stuff to do, y'all. I'm in quarantine. Woo!